How to watch YouTube videos offline. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your YouTube application, but make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection for that. Now what you will have to do is download the video in offline mode so that you will be able to watch that video in your offline mode as well. So first tap on the three dot and then you will find an option of download video. Tap on the download button and here you can see your downloads, and after the download is completed you will be able to watch it even without Wi-Fi. Simply turn off your Wi-Fi and here you can see in this profile icon, go to downloads, and here you will find an option of watching the videos even when you have no internet, but that has to be downloaded earlier. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.